Alright everyone, hello and welcome to Crypto Corner, the video podcast where we talk everything crypto related to help you navigate easily and safely in the blockchain space. In today's episode, I will share with you some new releases in the Web3 space that caught my attention, OKX, Ryoshiverse, and I will also talk about recent Web3 projects that are making quite a buzz already, like Aptos and Sui. So let's get started after this quick intro. Alright, so let's talk Web3 today. There are a lot of new projects that are developing platforms and tools for the Web3 ecosystem, and most of the big players are also competing to stay on top of the trend. So, not surprisingly, OKX is announcing their latest release, its own Web3 wallet that integrates leading-edge MPC, this is multi-party computation technology. The OKX wallet is the first Web3 wallet to incorporate MPC technology, and it's designed to support more than 50 different blockchains. OKX is a cryptocurrency exchange based in Hong Kong. I would say it's the biggest Asian exchange. In fact, it currently is ranked as the second biggest crypto exchange by trading volume, just behind Binance, with a total trading volume of over $1 billion in the last 24 hours, so it is a major player on the crypto scene. By the way, speaking of trading volume, Binance reported a huge drop in trading volume that reached its second lowest level since 2021. This may be indicative of a cooling down of the overall cryptocurrency market, or merely the fact that we are in a no-trade zone for the last few days. I jumped back into stablecoins last week as I anticipated the Bitcoin drop, and of course, altcoins tend to drop even more than Bitcoin, so I haven't been trading since then, just waiting patiently for the right time to jump back in. I'm sure many traders do the same, but there are always loads of day traders, so they would continue even in these choppy markets. So I don't really think that this is the only reason for the drop in volume. There's also the US court case against Binance, and several other countries are also cracking down on the exchange's operations. So this is surely another factor that people are just moving to other exchanges as they fear regulatory pressure could affect Binance US in a negative way. And also, this is a report from CC Data, and what I see is that the drop in volume on Binance happens during a month in which all cryptocurrency spot trading volumes on centralized exchanges especially is down by 40%. Anyway, the cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile and prone to rapid changes, so this recent drop in Binance's spot trading volume may be indicative of a cooling of the market, but I wouldn't be surprised if there is a quick recovery next week or so. I'm talking trading volume specifically. Back to OKX, the launch of this Web3 wallet is quite significant because it shows us a shift in the direction of more decentralized crypto services. With this release, OKX actually gives users a high level of security that is resistant to attacks such as hacking or phishing. And this is achieved by using a distributed network of nodes to collectively generate private keys that are used to sign transactions, thereby eliminating the risk of any single point of failure. In addition to that, this wallet also offers a high degree of flexibility. It supports more than 50 different blockchains. This means storing a big variety of tokens in a single place, making it easier to manage your digital assets. And not only that, but there's also an NFT marketplace too. So trading NFTs and storing them in the wallet will bring a lot more users to Web3, and check this out. The NFT trading is with zero fees. This is according to their own post. At least for a start, but zero fees on NFT trading, this is a big deal indeed, because it could revive the interest in NFTs, at least from the user base of OKX, which is huge. The wallet is designed to be user-friendly with simple and intuitive interface. It's also available on both iOS and Android devices already. If you want to give it a try, then you will find the link in the description below. And here's an exciting blockchain project to place on your crypto radar if you're into Web3. You don't want to miss this one. The name is Ryoshiverse. This is a blockchain-based platform that empowers developers with the tools and resources that they need in order to advance their Web3 projects and to drive mass adoption of blockchain and metaverse technologies. So definitely bringing more into the ecosystem of Web3. They're creating a suite of comprehensive tools and resources that enable seamless interoperability between different metaverse platforms. Well, finally, we needed something like that. They use a combination of smart contracts, decentralized storage, and other Web3 protocols to provide a secure and efficient development environment. The blockchain will also integrate with other blockchains in order to enable cross-chain interoperability and to promote the use case of their own platform into different industries that could benefit from blockchain, including finance and banking, supply chain, logistics, healthcare, real estate, gaming and entertainment. I mean, it's a lot of areas that they can tap into. The platform leverages two key cryptocurrencies, VIS and Verse, and they're also funding research and supporting the brightest minds in Web3 to further the advance of these technologies. So Ryoshi recently acquired the Shibaverse project. You might have heard about this one because this was for the Shiba community, a metaverse for the Shiba community. It's undergoing a rebrand and expansion of its metaverse. You can actually go and check it out. I will drop the link in the description below so that you can get a taste of what's to come, because they're expanding the metaverse experience, integrating blockchain of course, and creating an in-house developers game engine that will be open sourced for creators to build up on it within a decentralized metaverse. Now let's talk about their cryptocurrencies, which are VIS and Verse. Verse is currently an ERC20 standard compliant token that will be used as gas on the new blockchain being developed by Ryoshi. VIS, on the other hand, is the central currency within the Ryoshiverse ecosystem, facilitating all the transactions within their framework. Token holders will have the power to vote on proposals, influencing the direction and the development of the Ryoshiverse protocol. In fact, the round B of the pre-sale campaign of this token just opened, so you can already take part in this one. If you are interested in the pre-sale, then waste no time, because of course you do have a short window in order to take part. This will actually close in about 5 days. So of course I always say also follow them on social media channels to stay updated on all of the upcoming projects and announcements. This is a must for any crypto that you invest in, no exceptions. So many times we miss an important upgrade or new release because we didn't actually see the announcement. It's not the right approach, especially for crypto investors. Things are moving so fast in this space that you just have to keep on top of what's happening on a daily basis. This is also why I try to cover all different types of topics, content, crypto content here on this channel. I give you not only news but also updates about new releases and things that are upcoming. Also of course we do market analysis, technical analysis, sentiment analysis, all different types of analysis, all different types of content, so that you can always be on top of things. So make sure that you check this out, place it on your crypto radar, go and check out their light paper, which you will find here at the bottom of the home page. Make sure that you are familiar with it, and of course if you want to take part in the pre-sale, waste no time. You don't really have that much time. You can also take a tour of their metaverse. It's not really that many projects that excite me in pre-sale rounds, and this is definitely one of them, so go check it out. In fact, the gaming industry has always been at the forefront of technological innovation, and the advance of Web3 seems to be no exception. Web3 gaming is poised to revolutionize the way we play and interact with games, with its use of blockchain technology also enabling players to truly own in-game assets and be rewarded for their efforts. The potential for growth and innovation in this space has not gone unnoticed, with venture capital firms already pouring investment into Web3 gaming projects. Two other emerging blockchains that aim to revolutionize the gaming industry are Aptos and Sui. You might recall that I was trading both these tokens recently, I shared with you, and that's because there's a lot of buzz right now with both of them. These platforms were founded by former members of Meta's blockchain teams, with Mo Shaikh and Avery Cheng founding Aptos, and then Ivan Cheng going on to co-found and lead Sui as a CEO. Before creating their own blockchain projects, these were all key developers at Facebook's Meta project. Sui, a brand new Layer 1 blockchain, got a lot of attention since launching its mainnet on the 3rd of May, and it's only been a couple of weeks, but its token is already among the top 100 biggest tokens in the world by market capitalization. You can see here it's ranked 78. Its public sale price was just 10 cents of a dollar and the private sale was 3 cents of a dollar. Currently it's trading at $1, so you can clearly see why it's important to grab tokens at these pre-sale rounds prior to the launch. All of these early investors in this are sitting already on 1000% profit, even with the most recent market drop. Good days, and the market cap of Sui is already around $600 million. This is very rapid growth for a blockchain that launched just a couple of weeks ago. Sui already has over 200 projects in its directory, with more than 100 competing to launch on its Rust-based blockchain. The technical specifications of Sui support an object-based approach to on-chain assets, specifically designed to appeal to game creators. And impressive gameplay demos of the blockchain's high-end graphics have already been shared, including a game based on the Walking Dead comics and series, which is going to be a big hit for sure. The other project, Aptos, also Layer 1 blockchain, launched back in late October, so it's been around a little longer. Currently, it has a total value locked of approximately $50 million, and its native token, APT, has a market capitalization of $1.5 billion, making it a top 50 crypto asset. In fact, it is ranked at 35 here on CoinGecko. Aptos has a specific infrastructure designed to appeal to game builders as well. The blockchain offers the Unity SDK, indexer, and APIs to abstract away the blockchain, allowing game developers to focus on games. Aptos' consensus model and parallel execution engine offer rapid throughput, while the Move programming language is designed to safely manage assets. Additionally, the blockchain is easily upgradable and able to advance quickly when necessary, which is very important. Scalability is one of the biggest problems for any blockchain these days. And indeed, the gaming sector was one of the very few industries to thrive during the pandemic, as people were forced to stay indoors and looked for entertainment. According to global financial services provider PwC, the gaming sector is predicted to continue to grow strongly heading into 2027, with an estimated 3.2 billion gamers worldwide by that year. Overall, the potential and the relevance of blockchain to gaming are clear, and it's exciting to see how Web3 gaming will continue to evolve and disrupt the traditional gaming industry. And as for trading these tokens that I just talked about, I trade them on Binance and KuCoin, and that's why they have better liquidity. If you are getting any of the Ryoshi tokens, then we will find out later about the exchanges where these will be listed. But first, we will have to wait for the launch, of course. Alright, well, that's everything for today's episode, guys. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. I hope it's helping and provided valuable information to you. Show your support by leaving a like. Also, a comment below if you have any questions or a suggestion for a topic or something that you want me to cover. Definitely drop in the comments below. Also, all the links to everything that I showed you in this episode are in the description below. Make sure that you check them out, and there you will also find other links to the top crypto services that I'm personally using and that I recommend to you. And also, while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'm gonna see you there.